What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Everything Alex, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I apply my lashes and get them stuck like Chuck. Like when I put my lashes on, like once I put them on, they're like literally not going nowhere, like forever. Like they could withstand a hurricane, they could withstand a drought, they're going to withstand COVID-19. You feel me? So yeah, before I do get into this video, please make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020 gang. Can't stop, hey, won't stop, hey, dun 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 dun, hey, dun, hey, dun. Hey, hit it, dun 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 dun. Yes, make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. If you guys don't already know, I am posting a video every day of this month of April, and so far I've been a woman of my word, and I've, you know, kept up. So nice little pat on the back for me. Yes, but like I said, today's video is just basically gonna be me showing you guys how I apply my lashes. And honestly, I ain't even about to cap, like I'm just like some Super Saiyan when it comes to lashes, because baby, the Lord knows all the struggles I go through with my lashes. But when I get them on there, they're on, so that's all that really matters. So if you guys are interested on seeing how I like basically get my lashes stuck like Chuck, make sure you do keep watching, okay? Keep watching. All right, so without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Let me just show you guys what you'll basically need just to achieve the lash look. Number one, first and foremost, you'll need a pair of lashes, okay? You will not be able to do this, without lashes. All right, so you will need lashes. All right, lashes, whatever shape, size, whatever type of style you like, you'll need lashes, okay? Number two, you will need some tweezers, just tweezers that you prefer, honestly, because I feel like some tweezers are different, like just the feel of them are just different. So yeah. Number three, you'll need a lash curler. The way I do mine, I need lash curlers, and you'll see why. Number 4 and 5, I guess, is just lash glue, okay? So you'll also see why I have 2 different kinds of lash glue. I got this Kiss Strip Lash adhesive with aloe, and this is clear, so you see, focus. All right, yeah, so this is clear. So I got this, and then I got, you know, my ghetto self, got my little hair glue. Ooh, bonding glue, I see you. Bonding glue, I see you. That peekaboo bonding glue, I see you. I got that. And we're just going out and show you how I put my lashes on. I'm close and personal with you. All right, so number 1 is I like to take my lash curlers and uncurl my lashes, okay? So let me just move that out the way a little bit. I don't need, baby girl, just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Just, all right. So I take my lash curler and basically uncurl my lash, because I don't know if you guys are like me, but my lashes are curly, and when they're like just, you know, regular how they is, all curled up. Like I ain't got that much, but y'all can see they regular how they is curled up, and they really just like be in the way. So I have to uncurl them for them to not be in the way. So that's basically what the lash curl is for. So I just hold the lash curler upside down from the normal way, and then I just uncurl my lashes. Okay, and then they get straight. This is a cheat code because it helps like your lashes be out the way, so that like when I apply lashes, the glue just be acting all willy-nilly and getting everywhere. But if I move my lashes out the way, then it's kind of easier for me to see where I'm trying to put my lashes. All right, so now, I don't know if y'all can tell, but they are straight. They're just sticking up. They're straight. So, all right. Now I'm gonna take my clear lash adhesive. I'm gonna take the clear lash adhesive and I'm just putting that basically on the lash, like right above the lash line. So basically where you want to apply your lashes, that's why I'm putting this clear lash adhesive. And even though my lashes are uncurled, like it's still gonna be kind of hard for me to get like the lash, like y'all finna see what I'm talking about, like this, you'll see why it helps to uncurl them. At least for me, that's why I uncurl them. So now I got that on the lash line. So I'm just gonna take the lash. Gotta make sure it's the right one. Is that the right one? No, I think that's the right one. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my lash right here. Take my little take my bonding glue. I put it on like an end of a makeup brush because I couldn't find my Q-tips. And you don't want like too much on the lash, because that's what makes it hard for it to do what it needs to be doing. And then I make sure I get like a little more on the ends, so like that. Let me see. Don't fall. Just like that, if y'all can see that, okay? And so then I don't know why, but my tweezers be sticky most times, so I just try to like make sure I wipe them off a little bit so that the lash don't get stuck on the tweezer once I feel like I'm good on that. See, ooh. All right, stop playing with me. All right, let that dry a bit, and I just curl them up, like just, you know, make a little curl with them. Right. And as y'all can see, that glue is already like basically starting to dry. Okay. And now for the surgery. All right, and it's on. So I don't really like to mess with it too much as soon as I apply it or whatever, because like I've noticed that if I keep like fiddling with it, it starts to act up, and we ain't trying to do none of that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and like start, like while I'm letting that, you know, become neighbors, getting to know each other, let that glue build the bond with each other, I just start with my other eye, okay? Maybe it's just me, but when I do my second lash, boy, the second lash just don't be wanting to see me win, okay? Do not be wanting to see me win. So only by the grace of God will this work, okay? Alright, so now I got both my lashes on, as y'all can see, and this one, she already starting to act up. I could feel it in my soul, I could feel it in my spirit. She trying to play games with me, so I had to leave her alone because I want no problems whatsoever. So now, since the first one should basically be like, you know, dry, like, so it should be well in, tucked in, okay? So I'm gonna just start pressing these two together. Ooh, you see that? So as you guys can see, my lashes are on, and like bro, they are stuck, guys. Like, these lashes are stuck on there, like I promise you guys. Like, I don't know, but like whenever I combine the two, I just get this type of stuckness. Like, I get this type of bond that cannot be broken. Like, I promise you, if you guys are having problems with like your lash glue actually like staying on, like, is that, especially when like you're putting it on, I promise, if you do this, rain, hail, sleet, or snow could not even touch your eyelashes, okay? Don't play with me. Do not play with me. But yeah, like I said, my lashes are on, as y'all can see. They are not going nowhere. So yeah, this is basically how I put my lashes on. And it's like, I've tried like so many different type of lash glues and all that, and like I've tried the clear lash by itself, and it doesn't really work that well for me. And then I've tried the bonding glue by itself. It works, but once again, like, both of them, dynamic duo. Together, dynamic duo. So like, don't even play with me. But yeah, make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture. All 2020 gang can't stop, won't stop. And like I said, I'm uploading a video every single day of this month. So if you haven't already, just, you know, subscribe to the channel. What are you doing? Why are you wasting time right now? You don't have anything to do. Subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you guys, and I hope to see you guys in another video.